Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore default settings for your BASEUS Eli Sport. So let's open the application and click on your earbuds here. Now let me enable these mods to show it that it works, and let's change the equalizer to something else. Okay, now open settings at the bottom. And right here we have restore default settings. Click on it and then click OK. And now we're returning here, right here, a change equalizer mod, also a disable low latency mod here. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.